just pork. Hi guys, I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Milejon and karibu sana. And if you are new here, you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, that red button and support your girl. So today guys, I had this appointment, like not a meeting. I had an unfinished business with Royal Mabati, and that's where I was coming from. So yeah guys, and today I'm going to cook dinner, to make dinner for the family, and I want to do that with you guys. So that's why I'm here, I'm back, but I want to freshen up, then I do that. I cook pork, yeah. I don't know the recipe, how people cook pork, but for me, I will use my way, but it's rare to cook pork, but now it's on our timetable. If I show you our timetable, I can show you. Let me show you guys. We are following the timetable of late and it's going so smooth. So let me show you guys. Monday, ugali pork, grains. Tuesday, Wednesday. We're supposed to add on Wednesday some cereals. Then Thursday, Friday. My Friday is my favorite. Chicken, spaghetti Saturdays. Yeah, that's how we follow our timetable. So guys, I want to thank you so much for your support. For we are growing so fast, and I'm like, wow. So guys, I appreciate you a lot for watching my fans, for watching my videos, those who have subscribed. And if you haven't, kindly join the family because more videos are coming and I appreciate you guys so much. The support is real and I appreciate you so much, much, much. I'm so happy that I'm growing with you guys. We grow step by step. When I started, I had just 100 views in 1 week, but of late I'm growing too fast, and I thank God because I believe in God. You can grow within months. You can take years on YouTube, but what matters is you are growing every day, and that's what keeps me going. Cause I. That's what makes me going. I grow every day and I appreciate you guys all the time. And I pray for you. Whatever anyone is doing, whatever you are doing, if you have a business, you are employed, you will get there. So let's keep going. That's the word. So let me freshen up. Then we cook that pork and ugali and greens. Yep.
A few minutes later.
So guys, I'm done freshening up and I'm here. I have prepared like everything and my eye is so bad. But today let's concentrate on the pork. And then what we're going to I'm going to cook pork, greens and ugali. So yeah guys, I'm going to take you every step how I do it. Yeah, I'm not a chef, I'm not a professional chef, but I'm going to try. So let me show you the ingredients. So guys, as you can see, everything is set. We have our pork here. I normally wash my pork, my meat, even if it's pork, goat meat, cow, yeah. Then I have here ginger and garlic. I have here carrots, hoho, and some onions, and then tomatoes. These tomatoes are for the grains. So here it's kuma and spinach. I like the mixture of that. Yeah, so that's what we are working with. And forgotten to take, these are cubes. Some people don't like spices, but for me I just normally cook once in a while spices. So 2 spices will go to the skuma wiki, the greens that is, and this will go to the pork because the pork is not that much. Yeah, so let's get to it. So guys, I'll add my onions and sometimes I mix them with carrots and is nice, I mix them like that my way. So going to leave them like that. Then this one is for the green. I normally steam my green. I don't add tomatoes, just the spices and the greens only. So I will steam this one. Guys, we'll just wait for them to get ready. So we add some spices. Guys, the carrots and these are ready, so I'm going to add the tomatoes. And we wait. So guys, I'm adding the spices. This is for the greens. Let me check this one before they get burnt. It said you can't have two masters, but we have to try. And then let's add our greens now. So guys, I'm going to add the spices and the ginger. Guys, I'm going to add the pork. And guys, you know I'm cooking my way. I'm not used to be cooking pork, but since it's in our timetable, I have to find different methods how to cook it. So if you have any idea, any other recipe, you can share on the comment below. Share with me. So, but I think pork is normally soft, so that's why I'm cooking it directly. I won't boil it. It will lose its flavor. So you can share your recipe. I'm here to listen. But for now, you'll check mine, which is I'm just guessing of how to make it so sweet and spicy. Not so spicy because of our baby Taraji. I don't like to feed her so many spices. She's still young. Yeah. So we wait now. I'm going to add some salt. I like it, you know, when it's boiling, it boils with it.
Have you ever met someone you could not get back down? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Guys, look at me. No, my saliva is dripping. It's not yet ready, but I can tell it's so yum.
We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back.
So guys, our pork is ready. Look at this. We added some soup for our baby. She can't eat it dry, so we have to run some soup. And for us, and we have our greens are ready too. You know, this side it's always slow, but I was just steaming this green. So I want to put some water for the ugali now. Waited for it to boil. This one is ready. So guys, our water is ready for ugali. Let me show you how we cook our ugali. So guys, comment below, do you cook ugali with high heat or low? I don't know, some people prefer the high. Guys, our ugali is ready and I want to serve my people. Okay. This is for the head of the house. So guys, I'm done serving my family and here I want to join them. So tell me what you think about my cooking skills. How would you prefer my recipe? And if you have your own recipe of cooking pork, because you know pork most people don't like it. But for me, I love pork. So yeah, if you have any idea or any other method of cooking the pork, kindly share with us on the comment below. So let me go and join my family and enjoy our dinner. Yeah, so I see you on my next video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And don't mind Taraji. She's putting some dengus in now. So we are trying to take them away from her. I don't know, she's putting things on in her nose. Yeah, the other day we removed her bead twice. I don't know, toddlers. So yeah guys, until my next video, bye bye.